Hello, I'm Margarita. Welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna mix some guacamole for my hair. Yes, I'm going to apply an avocado mask to my hair. This rich avocado hair treat will moisture all your dry ends. For this nutritious mask, you will need 1 ripe avocado, peel and cored. 4 tablespoons of agave syrup. You can mix these basic ingredients and apply. But I added some extras. The new powders from pure organic Ayurvedic herbs for hair care that will promote hair growth and add shine to the hair. Fenugreek, Ashwaganda, and Amla. This is a very Indian-inspired guacamole. Mix well until combined. I just did it with the fork and scraper. Fenugreek is a natural conditioner and prevents dandruff. I added 1 tablespoon of each. Ashwagandha alleviates any scalp irritation. And Amla adds texture, volume, wave to my curls, and you get thicker and stronger hair strands. Just to mention some of their benefits for hair. Mix well until combined. 8 to 10 drops of jojoba oil. Apply the avocado mix to your wet hair, especially targeting the ends. Wrap your hair with a bath cap or towel. Leave it for 20 or 30 minutes. Rinse your hair thoroughly, cleanse, conditions, and then style. You can find all the pure organic Ayurvedic herbs for hair care at pureorganicheena.com/store. My hair feels strong and super healthy, especially next day. Let me know how your hair likes it in the comments below and tag Pure Organic Henna at Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. Are you ready to make the transition to your natural hair?